What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Will an Apple Watch stand accept an aftermarket Apple Watch charger? Well, I was kind of curious because I picked up this Apple Watch charging cable a little while ago, and it's definitely different than the stock one, the OEM one. And really the thing that sticks out at me is kind of lower quality plastic, but also how much taller it is. It seems to be like 50% taller than a typical one. And now this is a very typical Apple Watch charging stand. They're great for, you know, being able to drape your Apple Watch over it, but I wanted to see if it would fit inside here. So what we actually have to do is you have to press this thing, and it's the Spigen one. Spigen. People always want to correct me. And it would just press in here, and I can tell you that that ain't gonna work. It even without this outer sleeve, that doesn't even fit. Yep. So this is definitely not the same dimensions as a standard Apple Watch charger. Oh well. Works by itself though. I definitely tried it out. So, hey, if you want to pick this up or this up, you certainly can. But if you want to pick this up and use it with a charger, you're going to want to get the OEM one. Links in the description. Peter Von Panda out.